Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about dogelonmars. Dogelonmars has had its bark, but do positions in Elon still have a bite. Dogelonmars is one of the many dog-themed meme coins in the market today. It has seen a lot of interest lately, with November memorably recording a spectacular surge in popularity and value. Since then, however, Elon's price has been in decline. At the time of writing, the altcoin had a market capitalization of just $474.2 million. Can bulls exert any influence on the price in the short term? Bitcoin's explosive rally past $40K sparked bullish momentum on shorter timeframes for many coins, and Elon was one of them. Dogelonmars prices are multiplied by a factor of 100,000 to reduce decimal places and improve clarity. A set of Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, were plotted based on Elon's move higher from $0.0765 to $0.1214 in early issued an alert on its website earlier today, warning the public about companies selling crypto assets by using its name as a stamp of authorization. The warning has come after JPX was informed about an abundance of platforms online that were masquerading under the JPX brand name to trap rookie investors into trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The company further noted that those posing as subsidiaries of JPX were creating fake names, logos, and URLs that look similar to those used by JPX, such JPX, JPEX, and Japan Exchange, on both their platform and advertising campaigns. This is not even the first time when scams using prominent brands have come to the fore, as many legitimate cryptocurrency companies are also suffering from the same debacle. Recently, Hong Kong-based venture capital firm Animoca Brands issued a warning which highlighted how an ERC-20 token called Animoca Brands Metaverse had registered under its name and was pretending to be affiliated with the company. Nevertheless, JPX warning has come at a time when the company is on the path to test and possibly integrate blockchain and distributed ledger technology into the traditional financial system. For instance, it recently began researching digitally tracked green bonds, which utilize security tokens. The aim of this initiative is to improve the transparency of data and efficiency of data collection through the blockchain, while also improving the operational efficiency of bond issuance through digitization. Albeit, the company is yet to offer cryptocurrency trading opportunities to Japanese investors. However, Japanese regulators overlooking the country's vast crypto trading industry might soon ease out listing rules for crypto exchanges, according to recent reports, 1,000% immediately after its issuance. It had 1,000 holders and a $6 million market capitalization. The second news today is EU crypto industry calls to arms as Bitcoin and Ethereum ban in cards again. France-based hardware wallet manufacturer Ledger sounded an alarm about a possible EU-wide ban on cryptosats that are using the proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism, calling people to contact members of the European Parliament (MEPs) and oppose the move. At the last possible moment, certain parties offered amendments to micro-regulation on markets in cryptosats that would ban proof of work consensus protocols, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular blockchains and cryptosats in Europe, issuing an ultimatum to the rest of Parliament. Accept our Bitcoin ban or we will oppose the entire MiCA package, one of the main players in the crypto industry said. Ethereum, the second largest cryptosat by market capitalization, aims to move to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which does not require energy-intensive mining, but critics argue it's more centralized and less secure. The European Parliament Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs, ECON, will vote on MiCA on Monday, March 14. However, according to Patrick Hansen, head of strategy and growth at Unstoppable Finance, a developer of a DeFi wallet, the MEPs will vote on 2 suggestions and one of them doesn't plan a ban. There seems to be a very thin majority against a ban right now, but to be determined, Hansen said. As reported earlier this month, a draft of MiCA that was first proposed by the European Commission in September 2020 was revised to remove language that proposed a ban on POW-based cryptosats. However, even in the Econ votes for the ban on these cryptosats and the European Parliament EP later confirms this, long and complicated negotiations are expected among the EP, the European Commission, and the EU member states. It might take years until MiCA comes into force. Also, Lorenzo Vallecchi, an energy sector-focused journalist, opined that, if the ban is approved, it basically says POW miners have to respect specific emission standards, same as for the car industry, for instance. While the shared draft also seemingly says that small-scale mining operations will be exempt from these standards, the Commission will decide what small-scale means within 6 months after the approval of the directive, per Vallecchi. Co-founder Billy Markus took to persuading the billionaire into accepting Dogecoin for SpaceX merchandise. "I want to buy a model rocket with dog money," Marcus wrote. Word. "I want to pay for a SpaceX tour with dog money," added Andrew Ballo, a top-rated film and music producer. More tweets continued to flow in, with others seeking Musk to extend Doge payments to Tesla's Cybertruck and its other fleet of e-cars. While this is huge news to his followers, this is not the first time Musk is throwing such hints. On several occasions, he has shared memes depicting his support for various cryptocurrencies, at one time even coming under fire from individuals who claim that he is manipulating the market. Last month, Tesla started accepting Doge payments for its merchandise, a month after Musk hinted on the plan. That said, although Musk is yet to shed more light on his tweet, his deep support for Dogecoin suggests that a decision to have Starlink and SpaceX start accepting the K9 coin might not be that tough after all. In the meantime, Dogecoin continues to trade in the 14 cents range after losing 80% of its value. For now, traders continue to hold their breath with hopes that the Doge father will drop the much-awaited bombshell, and hopefully reignite the prospects of Doge attaining the $1 mark. Dogelon is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy, if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2020.